everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to open up the TV guide on your LG TV. So if you have all the advertisements and promotions turned off, you can just find it under here and you can just click it. But if you go to your remote, there's a specific button for it right next to 0 to the left of it. So if we press this, we can open up the TV guide very easily. And you can see I got a bunch of different antenna channels on here. And my antenna is not working correct because it's not even showing up a signal. But I can go through here and I can see the LG channels are listed in here as well. So everything's just kind of grouped together. So I can go to channels and just see under here as well. And then I can go to next as well. So very easy just to open this up, press this button. Then they're going to give you options in the top right. We can go to this and we got channel manager, channel rows, filter, mini TV, users guide, etc. So we can bump on over to the channel manager. Maybe we want to edit some channels. Otherwise you can do the channel tuning where you can just add more additional channels to it. So if we go up to settings right here and select this and then wait for this to load, we can go to general and then we got channels here and then we got channel manager, channel tuning on top, and then I am just going to go to auto tuning. It will find all the channels for me, but you can go to manual tuning too. And then you can just go through this process and go to start. So if you got like an antenna channel or a bunch of cable channels, etc., just go to this section and we'll add those in there automatically. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.